Hello everyone, I'm Aiman, representing group Captain Underpants. In this video, we're going to talk about false position method. False position method is used for finding the root headers for the tables. A is lower boundary input value and B is higher boundary input value. C is midpoint value, which will be found based on our A and B value. Functions of A, B, and C will be found using function roots that we are solving for. We need two columns that determine which two outputs that gives negative values and tell us which direction to move, either left or right. So to accomplish this, we have to create an if-or statement which states that a function of c times function of a is less than 0. If true, that means our root is to the left of our midpoint and it will remain unchanged, whereas b will take on the midpoint value. If false, to the right of midpoint and it will take to the midpoint of C value. Repeat the same formula for our higher boundary B and bring down all other rows until iteration. Next, we have to create small steps in the x direction. So we put here 0.01 and we will go from our initial bounds of 0 until 1. Then beside this, we can apply this input to our function and get the outputs. Next, we can graph the function. And visually see that we do indeed have a root between this point 0 and 1.
Last but not least, we can test for the presence of roots between A and B by using a simple if-or formula. If FA times FB is less than 0 or FB times FC is less than 0, we can print true, indicating that a root is present between A and B, or false if otherwise.